Are you making a good impression? Hi, I am Rachel Leduc, Ambassador for Women's Potential, and today I will share with you my 6 tips on how to make a good first impression or a good impression. Making a good impression is very important because it will determine what's going to happen after with the relationship or with the person that you are meeting. Remember when you were in high school or when you're going on a first date? Let's say when you're going on the first date, you do want to make a good impression, so you prepare for it. Sometimes as women, we'll get a haircut, we'll put on our makeup, we'll put our best dress, the nice shoes and everything, because we want to make a good impression. So when you go and meet some clients or your boyfriend's parents, it's very important for you to make a good impression. When you go and apply for a job, let's say you go for an interview and you prepared yourself, you know, you got the perfect outfit and you rocked it, like you nailed the interview, you're very, very happy. And you're sure that you're gonna have the job. So you get home and you start to get ready because you know that letter will come next week or something. You're sure you have the job because you nailed it. And you're waiting and waiting, and finally the letter comes in the mail, and you read it, and it says, "We've chose somebody else." And you go, what the hell went wrong? I really nailed the interview. Well, what went wrong is maybe the impression you gave the secretary when you got there. You know, it's maybe you got off the elevator and you saw someone and you didn't have the smile, and that person was on the board and you didn't know. So making a good impression, we have to do it all the time. So we need to see the big picture and, you know, put our good impression face. So the 6 tips that I have for you are as follow. So the first one is important to know what you want out of each encounter. So when you meet somebody or you go somewhere, you need to know what you want and why you're going there. The second thing is to greet people with a smile. Say, hi, you know. When you greet people with a smile, it relaxes them and it draws them to you. You need also, number 3, to feel very positive about yourself, and it has to show. So when you're positive and you feel good about yourself, your aura will show that and people will feel it. You need to have a friendly voice, not a hectic voice like I have right now. So you need to be more calm and, you know, say, hi, oh, I'm so happy to meet you. And by doing so, people will see your enthusiasm and it will make them feel good and they will be drawn to you. And I went like that. And so number 5 is, of course, extend your hand to give a firm handshake. What I mean by that is, like, you go and you do the handshake. Some people, their hand is wet, so you don't want that. So before you give a handshake, make sure that your hand is dry. Make sure it's firm, because sometimes people will give a handshake like that, and that doesn't show confidence or anything, and we don't like it. Remember when somebody gives you a hand like this, you go, ugh. So you just go and you give a firm handshake. And number 6, when you, oh yeah, what I wanted to say is when you talk to somebody and you're listening to them, just lean forward. By leaning forward, it means you're interested in what they have to say. And also it's important to listen more than what you talk. So I'm at 7 now. So these are the 6 or 7 tips that I had to share with you. And remember that it's easy to make a first good impression, but it's harder to keep it. And if you destroy it, you might not ever be able to get it back. So always have your good impression face, and good luck to you. So I am Rachel Leduc, Ambassador for Women's Potential, wishing you an amazing week.